In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email subscription on Google Sites. Full tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, working email sign-up form on your Google site without writing any code. All you need is your Google site open in edit mode and a free Elfsight account. First, head to elfsight.com. On the homepage, hover over the Widgets menu to see the available options. From that list, choose Subscription Form. This widget is designed specifically for collecting email addresses, so it's perfect for newsletters, announcements, or early access lists. On the subscription form page, click Create Widget for free. If you're prompted to sign up or log in, go ahead and do that. It only takes a moment and is required to generate your embed code. Next, you'll see a gallery of templates. Pick a template that matches your site's look and the kind of form you want, whether it's a compact bar, a centered box, or a simple inline field. Once you've decided, click Continue with this template. You'll land in the editor. Here you can fine-tune text, colors, button labels, and success messages so the form feels on-brand. Keep the form simple. Asking only for an email usually boosts sign-ups. When you're satisfied, click Add to Website for free. Now click Publish. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Click Select to continue. The free plan is enough to get an embed code and place the form on your site. After that, click Copy Code to grab the snippet. This is the small piece of HTML/JavaScript that will display your form. Switch over to your Google Sites editor and open the page where you want the form. Click Embed from the right-hand Insert panel. In the dialog, choose the Embed Code tab, then paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Click next to preview how it will look on the page, and then click Insert to place it. You can drag the corners of the embed box to adjust the size so it fits nicely with your layout. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Test the form by entering a test email to make sure submissions go through. You can view and manage collected emails inside your Elfsight dashboard. If you operate in regions with strict privacy rules, include a brief consent message and link to your privacy policy near the form. Finally, remember that changes on Google Sites go live when you publish your site. That's it. Your email subscription form is now embedded on Google Sites using Elfsight. Thanks for watching and happy